Got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Lots of nighttime cleaning motivation in today's video. We're deep cleaning. There's going to be some really cute little baby Oliver moments. Some good motivation if you're feeling too tired to reset the house after a long day. Thank y'all so much for stopping by, but let's get started.
I'm on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now, I don't know.
As you can see, we had quite the mess, especially in the living room, the nursery. We had lots of weeds in our front little flower bed, so I'm going to be pulling those. Grab yourself your favorite drink and let's clean along together.
I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh.
How stinking cute is this little outfit Oliver has on? I ordered this on Amazon and I think it was super cheap, and they have a whole bunch of different colors and it fits him perfectly. This is the 3T, 4T size because I always have trouble with the Amazon stuff coming in a little bit tight on him. So anyways, so cute. I'm definitely going to be ordering more colors. I'll link it below.
You're looking so. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby. Let me love you, let me love you.
If you missed last week's video, we moved Oliver's crib back to his nursery, so he is officially sleeping in his own room now, and it feels really good to have everything back to normal and to have our master bedroom back. But he loves his room now, and we moved his little playhouse out to the backyard. And so we're just going to clean up all of his toys. I try to do a toy rotation, but I feel like all of his toys have so many little pieces, so no matter what, they're all over the floor. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. He is going to be helping me. He loves to help me clean his room. So we're going to get this taken care of. I really needed to steam clean his carpet, so that's what we're going to do tonight. Opie is extremely jealous of Oliver all of a sudden. We've never had issues up until now, but now Opie, I can like sense it, like he is just really jealous. And so anytime we leave the house with Oliver, he gets mad, and he has decided that this room is the room he wants to poop in. So he's never had house training issues. We actually adopted him from an animal shelter, and he's always been potty trained. We didn't even have to do anything, which was such a blessing. He's been such a great dog, and he still is a great dog, but he gets mad at us sometimes. So the other day he got mad and he pooped behind that tree in Oliver's room. So we're going to go ahead and steam clean these carpets, get everything back to being fresh. I'm going to use my steam cleaning solution that I always use. It's homemade. It's like fabric softener, hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, and then one other thing I'm forgetting right now, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. It makes your carpet smell so good. But if you have any tips for dogs that are jealous of kids, let me know. I don't know if it's already too late or if we can still fix the problem. But anyways, he loves Oliver and they love to play together, but sometimes he gets a little weird. We're going to go ahead and wipe down Oliver's dresser. Just do lots of deep cleaning here in the nursery. If you're new here, right outside of this window we have an acrylic bird feeder, and Oliver can sit at his little table and watch the birds eat. It's the coolest thing ever, and I got some really awesome footage from it the other day that I'll insert right here. But we love watching that. And then I also wanted to share with y'all, Oliver loves the lovevery play kits. So if you have kids and you've never heard of that, definitely check it out. I'll have a link down in my description box. They have awesome toys, and Oliver will play with their toys forever. This is like the longest he'll ever play with a toy, is when he's playing with one of their things. He also loves their books. That's like the #1 thing that he'll go to grab is the Lovevery books, which is so crazy. But anyways, they know what they're doing. Their toys last forever, so they're just really great quality. But that's both of the puzzle and that little toy on the table are from Lovevery. But now we're going to vacuum up his room, and then later on tonight after he goes to bed, I'm going to come steam clean in here.
I'll let you win. Taking my toothbrush, how does that feel? Tell how this can't be real.
Okay, we tackled Oliver's room. Nothing is safe here though. He's back in here making another mess, but we're gonna go in the living room and tackle that. It's a little bit later on. We had put Oliver to bed and we had a huge mess to clean up. Oliver loves this bus too. This is another thing that he will play with all day long. He likes to turn on the trap version of Wheels on the Bus and dance and play in that. But we had a big old crayon mess, and yes, this is my brand new rug. I had a big blanket laid out on the rug and put the crayons on top of that, but somehow the blanket is gone and the crayons are all over the rug. So let's go ahead and get this mess cleaned up. Super excited to share my new cleaning gadget with y'all. This is my new favorite in the daily cleaning lineup. Thank you so much to Dreamy Tech for sponsoring today's video. Dreamy Tech creates high-end cleaning appliances with remarkable ingenuity and engineering. This right here is the Dreamy Tech L10S Ultra. It has a fully automated cleaning performance. It vacuums, mops, auto empties, and cleans, so you can set it how you want on the app and then forget it. It truly is everything you need for your floors packed into one powerful little robot vac. I turn this product on at the end of the night and let it do its thing, and it just does all of the work for me. It's amazing. It maps out your house for you and creates a recommended cleaning strategy. And what I love about it is the smart technology that allows it to know when it's on carpet and when it's on tile or hard floors. It lifts that mop function when it gets on the carpet, and when it enters onto the hard floors, the mop feature turns on and the mop pressure is amazing. Just as if you had mopped it by hand, and the mop actually rinses while it's returning to the base station so that it prevents cross pollution. And there's a 3D structured light that detects the shape and distance of an object. And the RGB camera helps the AI recognize different household obstacles. It avoids obstacles like slippers or toys seamlessly. It even found a little loophole to go behind our couch, which I thought was amazing. It has great suction and a rubber brush designed to pick up hair. I didn't even realize our dog shed, but this thing picked up loads of dog hair along with Cheerios and so many other items that I was just shocked to see. I wanted to show y'all just how much it picked up from our living room, which is crazy because I had no idea our floors were this bad. It obviously auto empties, but I just had to show y'all this. How stinking gross. This is the best suction I've ever had on a vacuum. And you can also customize just about anything you want this vacuum to do on the app. Lots and lots of features like no-go zones, virtual walls, and change the pressure.
Start cleaning mop pads.
I'm going to go ahead and empty that dirty water tank. Of course, you can also create cleaning schedules and create multi-maps for multi-floor houses. It has that high-tech to high-speed empty the dust box with minimal noise and virtually no clogging. I was so excited to see that it's Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant compatible, and you can also get a remote to make it even more hands-free. And right now they're having a great Prime Day sale, so today is the day to get your hands on one. Use code Lauren5OFF for 5% off and check out that Prime Day deal up to $300 off.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go.
This Bissell Pro Heat Revolution is the best carpet cleaner. My mom always has to borrow it because it works so well. The only thing that's kind of weird about it is the front portion. and sometimes like pieces of carpet will get stuck in there, and it's really hard to get out, but I found a way to do it that makes it a little bit easier. You just grab some cardstock and stick it in there. So if you've purchased the same carpet cleaner, then cardstock always does the trick for me, and then running some warm water in there. I don't know why they didn't make it to where you can just open it up. That's the only weird thing. It works so well. But I also pulled up the recipe for the carpet cleaning solution. It's just 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, a tablespoon of OxiClean, a 1/2 cup of fabric softener, and then a gallon of water. You just fill up the rest of the tank with water, and it does an amazing job.
I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away.
Once we got that done, I had planned to go outside and pull weeds, but it was really dark, so I decided to wait until the following evening to do it. You don't want to do this during the day right now in Arkansas because it's been getting up in the hundreds and it's just way too hot. But the next evening, Oliver and I came out here and we pulled all of the weeds. Oliver was such a great helper. Here in a second, you're going to see him patting me on the back. And I thought that was the cutest thing ever. He had on his pajamas because I didn't know we were going to come out here and do this at this point. But anywho, we're going to get this taken care of, and then we're going to go in, get showers, and we'll have lots and lots of deep cleaning done, and we can relax.
If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, you and I.
Have y'all ever seen a sweeter baby? Let's all just have a moment for baby Oliver. But that was so sweet. He came over and he gave me a hug and he gave me a pat on the back and he said, "Mama." And I think he was really tired and ready for bed, but how sweet. Anyways, we're going to finish up these weeds and then we're going to call it a night.
Get up and let's face it. No need to erase it, 'cause memories make you strong. Breathe in and get going. Breathe out and stop moaning. You gotta get out and try.
While I'm finishing up these weeds, I did want to tell y'all about these shorts that I'm wearing. I wish I would have got one size bigger because they do run a little bit small. This is a medium and I should have gotten a large. But I love these Walmart athletic shorts because they have the really thick waistband on the stomach, but then they also have the spandex underneath. So they have the spandex shorts and then the athletic shorts on top. And I love that because you can bend over or squat and you don't have to worry about anybody like seeing up your pants, especially if you're going to the gym. They're perfect for that. But look at all these weeds that we pulled out of the garden bed. I am going to go ahead and toss those in the trash can and we're going to call it a night. This felt so good to have all of this stuff done. And I hope y'all enjoyed, got some motivation, maybe tackled something yourself. If you're needing a link for anything, let me know down in the comments below, or let me know down in the comments below what y'all are tackling and what y'all are purchasing on Prime Day. Don't forget to check out the Dreamy Tech Vacuum, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye!
So keep